Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. Because Chinese New Year is coming up, we're going to unbox a full set of Have a Good Run plush pendant. So let's see who's lucky and who's not. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Before we begin, let me show you the mother box. How beautiful this one. It's very Chinese New Year. Look the artwork, the lanterns, and the good luck. Maybe these are the good luck tags. I'm not sure. I'm not pure Chinese, but you can see how beautiful this one. The red color. It's very Chinese New Year. I guess this is like a very different box from the other boxes of Flash Pendant because they have. Let me show you the lineup because they have seven confirmed lineup only and one secret. That's why the size or the shape of the box it's like hexagon size. So I'm so excited because it's a lucky. I guess this will be a lucky pendants for everyone, guys. I'm not sure what is your lucky charm here, but I guess if I'm going to choose mine, I really want to get Hirono. I believe these are all different horses with different colors and patterns. So I really like also Labubu, Dimu. Yeah, these three are my top favorites. And by the way, guys, forgive my hands. I have this bandage because I got some burn. So please forgive my. It might distract your viewing, but yeah, this is the mother box, and let's proceed now with the unboxing. If you are curious how they put all these boxes from this hexagon size, this is how it looks like from these seven single boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to pull out them one by one so that we have the space and a nice view while unboxing all these single boxes. Tan. This is the empty box, so I'm going to set aside this one. And let me show you the single boxes that we have. The main cover is definitely Skull Panda. And we have these 7 boxes of the Have a Good Run series for the Chinese New Year theme. So let me show you closely. Look how beautiful the artwork. There is like a golden font or finishing of the font, and the main character here that's in the back in the front cover is Skull Panda. And these are the lineup. We have the Sweet Love. We have Sweet Love is the Crybaby. We have the Bright Future, which is Dimu. Sharp Wisdom for Skull Panda. Best Dream for Twinkle Twinkle. Good Health for Hirono. Then Happy Family for Labubu. And Great Wealth for Molly. So this is Baby Molly, I guess. And the secret, definitely Skull Panda. So I guess the secret of Skull Panda has this red black linings. So if you can see, the design of Skull Panda is very embossed. It's very Chinese vibe. I really like this one. Very premium looking. So I'm going to unbox this one of the bottom part. And then let's see how beautiful our figure. I'm hoping to get a secret, guys, by the way. So, but my priors here are, of course, Hirono, because I want to have a good health. Then Dimu, I want to have a bright future. And Best Dream, which is Twinkle Twinkle. I actually like Labubu as well, of having a happy family. So let's see. I'm so excited with our boxes. I'm going to set aside all the boxes first. And let's see our first figure. Okay. The box is actually much more sturdy. Um, like unlike with the box of the I forgot the name of the Halloween season that they have. Anyway, the Halloween season of Pop Mart for the plush pendant, their boxes is not that much sturdy. It's very soft. This one is quite hard and sturdy and looks premium. So let's see our first figure. Oh, I don't want to see any spoiler. I almost see the art card. Oh, okay. The good thing about this one is it's a string bag. So we can store our plush pendant whenever it's not in use. And look how beautiful this is string bag. I like the packaging. Have a good run. It's so simple. It looks like a ampao. If you are familiar with ampao, the Chinese envelope. So let's see our first figure, guys. I'm so excited. Our first flash pendant is one, two, three. Demo! Very nice. Look how beautiful Demo here. And there's a string on the hands. Like where you can um, bend the hands in every position that you like except the feet. So I like this one. It's like a red horse. Because actually it's not totally red. It's like wine to maroon red. And the eyes of Dimo, guys, look, it's like a maroon wine red. It's an eye chip. You can still see the baby clouds or the clouds friend of Dimo here as a signature of Dimo. And this is the horse. It's so fluffy. And the eyes of the horse is like a wooden button with some red stitching. The tail has this wire, so you can bend this one. I actually like this one. It's very beautiful. Wow. And the string, guys, and the pendant. It's not the usual pendant strap. This one, it's like the string, like what they are using for the bracelet for the Lucky Charm. And the pendant is like this. It's so beautiful. I actually love this one. Let me show you the art card. And the art card, guys, looks so cool like this. It's a combination of this paper and a translucent plastic where you can see Dimu, like where you can put some light on the back. Like it's so beautiful. This is the bright future, and I really love the art card. It's new to me. It's very different from the other art card of what they have. So you will definitely love this one. What can you say about Dimu, the bright future for the Have a Good Run series? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our second box and let's see what will be our next lucky charm from this collection. I'm so excited, guys. This one is definitely a beautiful series and I'm not regretting getting the full set. So don't wanna see any spoiler yet because I noticed that the art card is on the bottom part and I usually open the box at the bottom part because I don't like to destroy the box. So let's see our second figure. I really like the string bag. Very nice one. So one, two, three. Wow! What the heck? Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! We got the secret! Guys, we got the secret! The skull band, the secret! Oh no! Wait, let me show you the art card. What the heck? Skull Panda! Wow! The rising star! I'm so lucky! Look how beautiful! Right? Skull Panda is the secret, guys. She is not on the confirmed figure, and we got the black and red horse. And the back hair is curly, like this. And she has these silver metallic metal balls of the helmet. And look, the different eyes of Skull Panda. You can move. I guess I'm not sure if that's a horse figure. Look how beautiful! And the dress of Skull Panda has this pin like a stars, like star and lightning pins. I like this. The pattern of her dress. It's like a checkered pattern of black and red with white linings, and the tummy is curly hair gray. And look, the feet of Skull Panda with some these embroidered silver linings. And the tail, it's curly black. Wow! Second box, and we unveil our secret. What can you say about how lucky for this vlog? You will definitely like this and love Skull Panda, guys. Please comment down below. Sorry guys, I'm so excited. I'm just so overwhelmed. I forgot to see and show you the other details of Skull Panda Secret. Look, there's some embroidered stitching here of a silver linings or silver threads. I guess this is like a clover leaf on both sides. And look how beautiful the string, guys. It's black and maroon or red. This one is so beautiful. And the hair of Skull Panda is like shimmery red. Wow, what a lucky day. Let's proceed now on our third box. Let's proceed with our third box. And let's see who will be our third figure. I just hope I'll get my prio, but I'm so happy. Look how beautiful these two. They are good, look good together. Our third figure, guys. One, two, three. Oh, Molly! Actually, I like Molly here. She looks like a zebra, right? Look at the back. I guess she's a zebra. Or maybe a donkey? I'm not sure. I like how contrast or pop-ups the face of Molly here because of the face and the eyes is emerald. It's still the signature eyes of Molly, the pouty lips and the blush and the blonde hair. What I like about the plush, guys, it's they are so soft and fluffy. And they have different characters, guys. And look the string, it's black and gray. Very nice one. I like the stripe pattern. So let me show you the art card. And look how beautiful this art card, guys. So we got the Great Wealth of Molly. Very nice art card. And look how beautiful Molly here. The fluffiness of the feet and the hand. And again, the hands have this wire so that you can bend them and position in any position that you like. And what I like about the of this blush is the fringes at the back. Very cool one. And the button eyes are black. And you will definitely like this, guys. What can you say about this one for Molly fan? You will definitely like this, and please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our fourth box, and let me give you a recap. Of course, we got the secret, the Skull Panda. We have Dimu, the bright future, and we got Molly, our great wealth. So let's see. I'm not sure who's missing because I really like Labubu and Hirono. Please, don't miss these two. Let's see our fourth plush pendant and character. Oops, no spoiler. I don't wanna see any spoiler. Let me hide the art card first. Okay. Now I just noticed that the string is like a bronze copper color. So let's see. Our fourth figure. One, two, three. Oh, we got Twinkle Twinkle. Very nice. Oh, Twinkle Twinkle here is like unicorn. Look, there's a gradient rainbow color of the fur at the back of the horse. And look the fluffiness of Twinkle Twinkle here. It's very cute. And there's a party hat with the stars at the top. Actually, this one is so cute. Look, Twinkle Twinkle here. Very nice one. And I really like the gradient color rainbow at the back. Very unicorn vibe. And look the string. It's pastel color. Definitely those who loves or who's pastel color lovers, you will definitely like this one. Let me show you the art card. And this is the art card. Twinkle twinkle best dream. What a nice surprise. Very good. I didn't expect that the back details of Twinkle Twinkle is a it's like a cotton candy color, gradient color of rainbow cotton candy. A very nice one. You will definitely love this one as well. What can you say about Twinkle Twinkle, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our fifth box. So let's see. Oh no, which one is gonna miss? Or be who's not gonna be in this squad? So okay, we're still missing Crybaby, the Sweet Love, another Skull Panda, which is Sharp Wisdom, Good Health of Hirono, and the Labubu Happy Family. So let's see, guys. No, don't miss the other two, please. Okay, our next figure, our fifth character will be one, two, three. Oh, Hirono! We got Hirono! Look, how beautiful! The gray fringes at the back. And I guess Hirono here is the only one who's this like a pale color of gray and like an earth color like gray. I guess these are cream brown and this is cream, I guess. And she has these floppy ears with brown button eyes. And look the string, guys. Hirono is so simple. There's some like patches of black, like a dots. And you can move the hands of Hirono because there's a string here. And I like the eyes of Hirono here. It's black and white hair. Very nice. Let me show you the art card of Hirono. This is Hirono. Good health. What can you say about this one, guys? If you want to have a good health this year, you will definitely get Hirono. And you can comment down below. So guys, this is our last two boxes and let me show you what we are missing. Crybaby, another Skull Panda and Labubu. So let's see. Let's see who will be our missing figure. Okay. One, two, three. Oh, we got Labubu! Yay! I love Labubu here. Very lavender color, very lilac. It contrasts the yellow eyes of Labubu here. Look the string, guys. It's white and purple, and at the back is a gray finish fur. I like the color combination of this one. It contrasts each color. Maybe some are not fan of lavender or purple with yellow eyes, but this one is definitely adorable and cute. Let me show you the art card. Here's the art card. It's purple also. So we got the happy family. I really love their art card, guys. Oh no, we got Labubu. Look, the tummy of Labubu here. It's so soft and fluffy. Very nice one. And look, the button eyes. It's very cute. The white rabbit ears of Labubu, guys. Cute! Wow. What can you say about this Labubu Happy Family figure from this series? Please comment down below. So guys, we are down to our last box. So I don't know which one is missing. Crybaby or they changed Skull Panda to our Skull Panda secret. What is your guess, guys? Let's see. I'm so excited to complete this one, but we are gonna miss one character from this lineup, and I don't know who will be the missing character. So let's see. our final figure. Ah, the moment of truth. Let's see, guys. One, two, three. Oh, Crybaby! The pink one. Look! Wow, the floppiness at the back of Crybaby, guys. With some daisy flowers. Look, this one is so beautiful, like a cotton candy. Look how cute the pastel color of the string. It's a combination of yellow and rose pink. And Crybaby here is so adorable and beautiful. You will definitely love this one if you are a Crybaby fan. Shout out to those Crybaby fan out there. If you're still not my subscriber, please do subscribe. And if you had fun watching this vlog, don't forget to like and share this one. And let me show you the art card of our final figure, which is the Crybaby. And this is the art card of Crybaby. We got the Sweet Love. And again, they change the secret to the Skull Panda. So we're gonna look for that one, guys. So what can you say about that? Are we gonna get another set to complete this set? Or we're just gonna get a confirmed figure of Skull Panda? So let's see. What can you say about the final figure, which is the Crybaby Sweet Love? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog, which is the Have a Good Run series of Pop Mart. This is the newest release of Pop Mart for the Chinese New Year edition or Chinese New Year theme. And these are the plush pendant. They have these 7 confirmed figures, but unfortunately, we are missing the confirmed figure of Skull Panda, which is the Sharp Wisdom. But fortunate enough and lucky to get our secret, which is the Skull Panda Rising Star. So, the bottom part are my top favorites, which is Dimu, Skull Panda the Secret, the Crybaby, and Hirono. So, if you have other favorites, you can comment down below. If you had fun watching this vlog, don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscribers, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, guys, I'm wishing you a happy Chinese New Year and have a good luck in your life. Thanks again for watching. Bye!